So we are in 2022 and people are freaking out in the housing market because mortgage interest rates went up by 2% in the last 4 months. So in this video, I'm going to break down why mortgage interest rates are up and what does it mean in the housing economy. Hey guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Dipo.phillips. If it's your first time in my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. So each week what I like to do is post content about what's happening in Denver or tips and tricks for real estate agent or anything real estate related. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now. If you like the great content I'm delivering today, please smash the like button. Mortgage interest rate is up, and what does that mean? What's going on in the housing economy, and people are freaking out. So hear me out. All right, so at the beginning of this year, mortgage interest rates were about a little bit over 3%. And what the feds are trying to do is they are trying to stop inflation rates, because inflation has gone up 18 to 20% last year in home prices. There's no inventory. Buyers are out there trying to find homes and still put on multiple offers. And yes, we know the economy is crazy because we got war going on. We got high gas prices. Food is high, which is crazy. And inflation is high. So what the feds are trying to do is they're trying to stop inflation by increasing the interest rate. As I said, it went up 2%, which is crazy. And now buyers are freaking out. So if you're a buyer and you are still want to buy a home in this market, you can still buy a home in this market. But just to let you know is that, time is the essence. Like if you can afford a home right now, buy a home. If you can't, everyone's situation is different and you can't afford a home. And if renting is the best option, you might have to rent. But at the end of the day is that these rates are still going to continue because what they're trying to do is they're trying to decrease inflation in the economy because it's just out of sync. So if you're a buyer and you're trying to buy this summer, I just want to advise you, waiting this summer might affect your purchasing power, because as of right now, the rates have went up 2% and you just lost about $100,000 of purchasing a home. If you bought last year, you've been in a good place, but by you waiting, your purchasing power decreases and your monthly payment has increased. So waiting this summer is not the best choice if you are a buyer. And if you want to buy a home, I talk to a real estate professional and buy a home right now. Come up with a game plan what you can do to purchase a home. Because please hear me out. Do not wait this summer, because if you're a buyer who needs a home or expand your family, waiting this summer could affect you and your family for you to purchase a home, and you might not be able to purchase a home again. You might have to go the condo route and build equity from that home, then probably purchase a home down the route. But if you're a buyer and you plan to wait in the summer, please don't do that. So inventory across the nation is low, and we all know it's low. But with the rates increasing, I feel like there's going to be a little bit more inventory because there won't be as many multiple offer situation homes like it were last year because rates were low. But when rates increases, I feel like the purchasing power for buyers start to decrease and they won't be able to buy a home. Or for example, like let's say you're a listing agent and your home's under contract, but the buy side fell out of financing because they didn't know with the interest rate being so high that they could afford the home. And they're like, oh shoot, I can't afford a home. And now I feel like more homes are coming on the market because people are not getting the finances to purchase a home. So in terms is that for buyer is that you need to come with a game plan to find a way how to buy a home. And with inventory, now we all know labor is low and people don't want to work, and I feel like there's about 13, I heard the news, about 13.4 jobs out there because people just don't want to work at all, and inflation is high. But with inventory, it's just like there are going to be more inventory in the market for buyers to see, because I know sellers are like, all right, I want to sell my home, I want to put my home on the market, and buyers have more opportunity, because what's going to happen is that the buyers who were able to purchase a home last year are not going to be able to purchase a home now, and sellers who need to sell their home or get bigger homes, you might start to see more inventory in the market. Yes, it's still in the seller's market, but I can see it very soon. It's going to shift slightly to a buyer's market. So if you're a buyer and you still want to buy in this housing market, yes, we all know interest rates are increasing. By interest rates increasing, your purchasing power decreases, but your monthly payment goes up. So if you're a buyer and you want to buy in this market, you can still buy in this market, but you have to take action now. Meet with the real estate professional and come with the game plan, because we don't know how high the Fed is going to increase the housing market. But what I heard also too is that what the Fed's going to do when they stop increasing interest rates, they're going to start increasing interest rates in credit cards. So if you have a lot of credit card debt, and make sure you wipe that out, because if they increase the rates for credit card debt, it's going to screw you up, because what they're doing right now is, as I said, they're trying to stop inflation. And I know lots of people more are trying to keep their money reserved and try to use everything on card. But if you have a lot of credit card debt, find a way to meet with a financial advisor to reduce the credit card debt. Because if you're a buyer and you want to buy in this market, you have to make sure your debt to income is very, very low for you to purchase a home. So these are all like great tips or things I'm hearing out what is going on with the housing market. Yes, we know interest rates are going up. Yes, we know inflation is high. Yes, we know gas is high. Yes, we know everything is high. But you as a buyer, you can still buy a home in this housing market, but you need to act fast before it's too late. So in this video, I've talked about mortgage interest rates are up and what does it does in a housing economy. And if you're a seller or buyer and trying to figure out what you need to do, meet with the real estate professional to come with a game plan. And as I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the great content I deliver today, please smash the like button, because the more engaging that you guys put in this video, the more great content I put out. Thanks again for watching my video. And guess what, guys? I will see you soon.